Hello, and welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. As I promised, I'm going to show you very quickly and easily how to make your very own anti-cootie spray with essential oils. And I'm setting up my studio here little by little, so forgive me if it's not yet perfect. I am not the cello player in the house. My sister is, but I do love it. So there it is. Anyway, you're gonna need a few things. So I wanna make sure to use your time wisely. I'm not gonna babble on incessantly about nothing. So here we go. You're gonna need some distilled water. That's pretty it. A little spray bottle. It should be dark colored, preferably. I love cobalt blue. Or you can use a brown glass bottle. We'll look at this in a little bit. A little tip that I'm going to show you how to make. You can get these online very cheaply. So you're going to get the little bottle, remove the top, and you first want to put in your oils. So the order of you're going to use 5 oils. You're going to use cinnamon, clove, orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. Cinnamon, clove, orange, rosemary, eucalyptus. Simple 5 little essential oils. I recommend putting the oils in the bottle first. And how much? It's really up to you. I'm not a measurer, that's why I don't bake. I like the order to be from more to less. So let's say if you put 5 drops of cinnamon, and then 4 drops of clove, 3 drops of orange, 2 drops of rosemary, 1 drop of eucalyptus, or you can add more, but that being the escalating or de-escalating ratio. You can vary it. The beauty about essential oils is that they all work great. You can't really do it wrong. So do it. So you can use a little funnel and to add the water to the bottle later. So first, into cinnamon, and I'm just going to put a few drops of it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did 12. I'm kind of a hardcore person. I like my blends strong, but you can do as you want. Clove is very strong, so I'm just going to put a few of those. So 1, 4, 5, 6. That's about right. Less than the cinnamon. Orange is very powerful. It can take over a blend. So even though it's a great addition to a blend, be mindful unless you really want it to be orangey. And so I'm going to just put like 4 drops of orange. And they come out really quickly, some of them, because they're more liquidy than others. So be careful with that. Rosemary. I like rosemary a lot. So I'm going to go off script. Put like 5 drops of rosemary. Yep, 6, oh well, whatever. And eucalyptus is last. I love eucalyptus too, so if I get a couple extra drops in there, you could do equal parts, by the way, if you really want to make it really kick ass. Why not? 5 of that. Then after that, you're gonna put in your water, depending on how good your wrist is. Make sure you have a clean container with your distilled water. You're going to use spring water, don't use tap water in this particular case. We're going to use tap water on something else, or can, but then you can just fill up the bottle. Have some napkins handy, so if you make a mess, you can wipe it. Okie-dokie. So then we cap it. Take the little plastic thing off. shake it, and there you go. Take the glasses off and you can just put it everywhere. You can spray it all over your house. You can spray it in your mouth. It tastes really good. Good for your gums. Spray it in the back of your throat. Happens to taste good. When you do get it in your mouth, roll your tongue around your gums because it'll get it through all your gums. So like I said, it's really magnificent. You can use it in the bathroom by your toothpaste. This is a multi-purpose anti-cootie spray. So that's number one. Treasure. Do it. Have it everywhere. Since we still have a little bit of time, I said I was going to keep this under 12 minutes, so we're doing good. The other thing I wanted, you can also make your own eye drops very easily, so I wanted to show you that. I already have them pre-made because I made them earlier today. And again, and I just call it a saline solution, and you can put it in your eyes, you can put it in your nose, you can put it in your throat, whatever, wherever you need a little saline. You can use it on your pets. Very safe. So all you're doing is warming up. Again, so get some water, spring water or distilled water, and if you want to make enough, so about 2 cups, do 2 cups, and you can just put some kosher salt into the water. I like, just average, run-of-the-mill, everyday kosher salt. You can just add about, I would say, like a flat tablespoon. Make it so it is the salty level of tears. Not quite as salty as the ocean, although you could go a little bit, too salty is gonna sting a little bit. So the salt level of tears, warm it up so it blends in, and you can use it. You can store it in a glass bottle like this. I like dark colored glass, so I recommend you use that. I love blue, but in this case I used my brown bottle, and I labeled it so I know that it's here and it lasts, forever. The other little trick, one last thing, last but not least, blue solar water. And this is sort of like a, sort of like a holy water. No, it sounds odd, but all you're gonna do is get a little bottle. In this case, you do want blue because it's called blue solar water. You're gonna get any water you want. You can even use tap in this case. You're gonna fill this little bottle with water from whatever source. You're gonna cap it, and you're gonna put it out in the sun for 2 hours. That's it. 2 hours in the sun. The sun is the life giver of our galaxy. So its radiation elevates the vibration of water. And then once you have this water, you can use a little drop of it and put it in your water containers. Just 1 drop. You can just put it in your mouth too. But 1 drop of this water will raise the vibration of any other water receptacle you have. Put it in your pet's water. Put it in the water bottle that you carry around. In the water you drink. Put it in the food you make. Blue solar water. So those are my little recipes for today. I know they're very humble, they're very simple, but the best things in life are humble and simple. And that's what we are returning to, essential living. So this is the first of the upcoming Essential Living with Pilar simple life hacks, simple life recipes that feed your soul healing and elevate your vibration. And that is what we need individually, and that is what the planet needs collectively. And play some classical music as much as you can. All right, so I hope that that was helpful. And I will see you next time with something even better. But I thought this was a good little icebreaker and a simple little recipe to help you have with you everywhere you go. A little bottle like this can go anywhere, purse, bag, car, and just make sure you shake it before you use it. Make sure everything is blended in because the oils will rise to the top. Just don't get it in your eyes. Cautionary tale, don't get it in your eyes, don't get it in your nostrils, like with, don't touch your nose and your eyeballs when you have oils in your hands. And that is all I have for today. I hope this is useful, and I will see you next time. And I wish you peace, serenity, and comfort, and enjoy this time. It is magical in its own way. See you again.